The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2020 Chevrolet Silverado HD with a custom installed RockyMounts track, along with two of RockyMounts DropTop through axle bike mounts. So we have another video that quickly goes over the track install, but that's just installed using some rib nuts and the track again is from RockyMounts. These mounts here are the two drop tops. They are locking through axle bike mounts. So you would remove the front wheel, reinstall your fork. What's cool about this, it does lock. So you take off this T-bolt and flip this up, and this can work with 15 and 12 millimeter through axles without having to change anything, just on the fly. So you drop your fork here, close the cover, grab that T-bolt on top, and then close that shut. So what you would do is adjust the tension by loosening this and then spinning this tighter or loosening it and creating more room. So you can tighten it up and that'll compress it further. Then it comes with a lock. Lock that so it can't be opened. And there you have it. So it also comes with tamper resistant hardware. So it's a really great way to carry some bikes and also have your bikes protected. So here we've got plenty of room for a second one, even a third one, maybe a fourth one, but it'll be pretty tight. The handlebars tend to get in the way of each other, but definitely three on this would fit no problem. So that's just a quick look at these mounts. For more details, pricing, and purchasing, please click the link in the description below. That'll take you back to our website, therackshop.com. But any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Give us a call, shoot us an email, or swing on by the shop. Okay, well that's about it for this particular truck. And like always, thanks for watching.